Alrighty, where should I go for my next RFN trip? Should I RFN CN or CP?
Oh, sorry to interrupt you, Tyler, but I think you hit 5,000 subscribers. I think you should do a special video.
Oh, really, Ontario Railway Productions? Let me go check right now. Oh my goodness grief. You're alright. Thank you for letting me know. I will have to go somewhere special then. You know what? I'm going back to Lovekin for my 5K special. I haven't been there since last year.
Not a problem. I wish I could come with you, but Lovekin is a far drive for me, but have a wonderful trip there and catch some awesome CNs, VIAs, and CPs.
Oh, thank you, Ontario Railway Productions. Maybe next time you can come along with me for a special. That being said, though, it's time to celebrate 5,000 subscribers at Lovekin. Hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, everyone. Today we are back at Lakeshore Road in Lovekin. This is where the Kingston sub meet with the Belleville sub, you can see here. Mile 284.30 on the Kingston sub, and mile 155.66 on the Belleville sub. So yeah, if you take a look, oh look at that, the one of the westbound signals has changed to green. They used to be default, and now we got a westbound coming on the Kingston sub. So hopefully we can get some CNs, VIA rails, and CP, because don't forget it is by the Belleville sub. I can't wait to do this trip, and this is for my 5K special, so thank you so much everyone for 5,000 subscribers, I really appreciate that. Alright, let's get into the video, shall we? Make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up. Alright, I'll pause over now. So during this trip to Lovekin, I caught 13 trains. 8 VIAs, 4 CNs, and 1 CP. And this was taken on Thursday, July 4th. Alright, let's get into the trains. So the first train I caught is via P61. Going from Montreal to Toronto. It was set by 909, which means she'll give me an emergency horn salute. And that has 6 passenger cars and 28 axles.
Kingston 278 north, no alarms, temperature 24, total axle 28, speed 87.
The next train I caught is via P40, going from Toronto to Ottawa. This had a Siemens charger set. It was set by 2210, which means she'll give me a horn show, and the conductor give me a wave. And at the end of the train is cab car 2310. And the Siemens set has 5 passenger cars and 24 axles.
South, no alarms, temperature 24, C, total axle 24, speed 80.
Yeah, 2210 east, mile 285 on the north track, 1 row 43.
hour 284.35.
Not long later, a CP maintenance truck was on the tracks. It was going to get off the tracks here. The next train I caught is via P64, going from Toronto to Montreal. It was set by 6438, which range here give me a horn show. And that has 8 passenger cars and 36 axles. So it was a really long one.
Mile 285, north track. 43, section at 284.35. Out. Detector, Kingston, 278. North, no alarms. Temperature, 25. C, total axle, 36. Speed, 88.
The next train I caught is via P643, going from Ottawa to Toronto. This had another Siemens charger set. This time cab car 2306 is leading, and pushing it is 2206.
South, no alarms. Temperature, 25. C, total axle, 24. Speed, 90. That's Fresh River via 913 East, Center procedure for Phyllis working limit.
The next train I caught is via P42, going from Toronto to Ottawa. It was there by 913, and at the end of the train it's 919. And that has 4 passenger cars and 24 axles.
CN detector, Kingston 290. North, no alarms. Temperature 28 C. Total axle 24. Speed 66. CN 913 East Mall 85. One restriction 80 on the north for 284. Alright, sounds good. If you could just let me know on time and proceed on signal indication. Thank you very much.
Now we get into some freight train action. The first one I caught is CN M321, which is running late. Going from St. Lambert, Quebec to Toronto. Normally 321 will usually run here at night. But however though, due to engine problems in Coburg, the train got delayed. And no wonder it had engine problems because it was led by a solo CREX unit. And that being 3947. This is the 26th time that I've seen a single locomotive pulling a train by itself. And 3947 managed to pull 62 freight cars by itself. And this train has 254 axles. And oh yeah, the engineer on 3947 gave me a K5HL horn show.
temperature 28. C, total axle 254. Speed 34.
The next train I caught is CN Z149, which is following not that far behind. Going from Montreal to Brampton. It was fed by CREX 2780, which the engineer gave me a bell salute. And trailing second is 3027. And that has 189 rail cars and 544 axles. And if you're enjoying the 5K special so far, then please make sure you give it a really big thumbs up.
Kingston 278. South, no alarms. Temperature 26. C, total axle 544. Speed 29.
The next train I caught is CN M306, going from Toronto to Moncton, New Brunswick. It was fed by 2224, which means you'll give me a K5HL horn salute. And for Midday PU is 2220, and that has 139 freight cars. Just over a minute later, the Belleville sub-crossing activated. And that's for CPKC DIM019. It's a westbound empty Windmill train. I have no idea where it came from, and I have no idea where it's going. But once it gets to Toronto, it will head onto the Gulch subdivision. So it must be going to the state somewhere. The power on this is a solo SD70 ACU. And that being 7025, we were really also selling K3 Elkhorn. This is the 27th time that I've seen a single locomotive pulling a train by itself. And 7025 was pulling 60 empty flatbeds. If a train was loaded, the flatbeds will be loaded with windmill equipment. And this train had 236 axles. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this was the only CP train that I caught. But however though, this was going into the Oshawa siding to meet with CPKC 118. Which unfortunately I didn't stick around to see it. I ran out of time before 118 came along. And when the crossing activated, the hotbox detector at mile 290 went off. That's for the next CN train. The next train nearly snuck up on me, and that's via P63, going from Montreal to Toronto. It was there by 6432, and that has 5 passenger cars, and 24 axles. The next train I caught is CNQ108, going from Vancouver to Montreal, and this came from the Belleville sub. It was there by 8005. A Thunder Cab. SD70M-2, and the engineer give me a K5 LA horn salute. Trailing second behind that is 8940. And for a mid-DPU is 2658, which is in dead in tow. And that has 169 rail cars and 486 axles. But wait, we are not done yet because I got a train meet with via P45. Going from Ottawa to Toronto. This had 912 leading and 4 passenger cars. And this nearly snuck up on me. Thankfully, my mom was filming on the other side of a bridge, so she got a better shot of the train meet. Just like last year, I'm going to post the never-before-seen footage in a separate video. But I will use my mom's shot when the DPU shows up, and the train meet happens. Not sure if you heard that, but that was via 63 blowing the horn in the distance.
5 no track, 1 restriction, 143. CP80, 76 East, CPKC, over. What was your first clear signal? Clear signal. So after 06, the intermediate signal dropped on you. What was the clear signal that you received after 06? west of the plant, but I'm hoping it is running.
The next and final train that I caught is via P644, going from Toronto to Ottawa. It was set by 918, which means you'll give me a horn salute. And that has 4 passenger cars.
Cycle brakes using a minimum of 10 pound, 1 knot, pound brake per reduction and release up. Already. And 644, 980, at mile 285 on Kingston South Northern track, 1 restriction 80 at mile 284.35.
Well, everyone, that's gonna be it for this Westbound trip to Lovekin today. Like, holy man. It definitely got busy near the end, though. And for a second, I thought I wasn't gonna see any CP trains at all, because the Belleville stop has been mostly dead until the very last second, until that empty Windmill train came by heading west with an ACU leader. But oh well, it is what it is. I've never seen a Windmill train before. But I wish it was loaded. But at least I was able to see the cars on it and stuff like that. So yeah. The empty CPKC Windmill train is heading to Oshawa right now to meet with CPKC 118. But however, we don't have any time anymore to see it. So that Windmill train is going to be the only CP catch we're going to be getting. But oh well, it's better than nothing. And we got a lot more Fias and CNs here too on the bridge. So yeah, all in all, it was definitely a successful Westbound trip to Lovekin today. This is my second visit there. And I definitely got more CNs compared to last time. So yeah, once again, I want to say thank you everyone for 5,000 subscribers. Like honestly, I'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who is liking and subscribing to my channel, because you are really helping me a lot. So yeah, that being said, if you enjoyed the 5K special, then please make sure you give this video a really big thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. That will really help me out a lot. And until my next Westbound video, I will see you guys later. Peace out folks, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. And thank you everyone for 5,000 subscribers. And go subscribe to Tyler M. Hey, that's me. Anyways, I will see you guys later, everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Bye now, and that will be it. Hey. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this VFM video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya, guys!